All right, let's talk about what you're going to do today. So you've already read our target, you've watched the target video, and now you're probably looking at these two things thinking, okay, this is just like math, I need to click one. If that's what you were thinking, you are correct. So if I'm a turtle, I'm going to click on the turtles link. If I'm a rabbit, I click on the rabbits link. So today I'm going to pretend to be a turtle. I'm going to click on this link and it brings me to my assignment. Okay? So yours looks a little different than mine, but you need to click your assignment. It's weather informational writing. So this is what my assignment looks like. It's got the two little pictures of the clouds with the different types of weather, and my prompt says, use the space below to tell what you know about the weather. Now, you can just go ahead and get started right away. You can jump right in, or, and you do have to do these questions either way, you can come back to our Google form, and there are these questions that ask you about pieces of your writing. So the first question says, what is your catchy opening or topic sentence for this weather piece? So right here you would type something that is whatever you're going to use for your topic sentence or your opening sentence. So if I were to use the opening sentence, weather is very interesting to learn about. And here is why. If that's what I use as my opening sentence, that's what I'm going to type right here. So I would say, weather is very important. No, I'm sorry, is very interesting to learn about. And here is why. That's my catchy opening. That's what I think is going to make my reader keep reading. Okay, so now I get to go back. I can either do them all here and then put them here, or I can do them all here and then put them here. Yes, you are doing this twice. I think it would be kind of easy to do it here and then put them over onto the other page because I'm just kind of already there and thinking about it. What is the first fact you will discuss in your weather piece? The first fact I'm going to discuss is that weather can be dangerous. That's my first fact. So now I can come over here. Weather is very interesting to learn about, and here's why. First, I gotta have those transitions. Weather can be dangerous. Weather can be dangerous because it can change quickly and cause damage. Boom. There's my first fact. I talked about it. Weather can be dangerous. Now, let's talk about my second fact. Weather can be tracked. Come over here. Second, I could say also, I could say next. Weather can be tracked. Meteorologists use satellites to track and predict the weather. We learned about all of this already. We learned about it over the last several weeks. It's in your flipbook, and it's what we've been talking about during online learning. What is the third fact you will discuss in your weather piece? Weather can be different in different places all over the world. Whoops. So then I come over here and I say, weather can be different in different places all over the world. It can be snowing in Summit County and raining in Denver. that true? Yes, yes it is. Okay, now what is your closing or conclusion sentence for this piece? I have enjoyed learning about the weather. Might even add for these reasons. Something I forgot. In conclusion. Whoops. Then I come back here. In conclusion, I have enjoyed learning about the weather for these reasons. Boom! Done. There it is. Do not forget to turn this in to me on Google Classroom. Okay, so you have your weather piece here. Looks good. You're going to double check it. Make sure it all makes sense. I'm making sure there are no red underlines. I need to make sure my words are spelled close to correctly. They need to at least make sense. And then you're going to push that turn in button. And remember, if the turn in button isn't available on this document, it is available here. It's over on the side. It says turn in. Turn it in when you're done. And you come here and you push submit. And this turns this into me too. So you have to turn two things into me today. This and this. This is how you're getting your points for me today. Great job. I cannot wait to read these.